Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make only one page landscape inside your Microsoft Word document or any specific page that you want to make in landscape mode inside your Word document. You can see I have 3 pages in this document and 2 pages of this document is in portrait mode and one is in landscape mode. If I zoom out you can see it clearly that I have 2 pages in portrait and one is landscape. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it. This is very easy and quick. So first of all, just create a new document to show you how you actually need to do it. So this is our new document. Now I want to create 3 new pages here, for example. So I'm just going to press Ctrl Enter to create new page. So we have 3 different pages. Now there is a option in Microsoft Word that's called page break. So if you want to see where is the page break right now in your document, you can just go to home and you can see this the \p icon. This is to show or hide the page break. You can just click here and you can see where is your page break is inserted. Right now we don't have any page break. This is the basic page break, but we can insert custom page break to inside our document. So let's say we want to make this middle page a landscape mode. So what we can do, we can just go to the layout section and you can see this option breaks here, and then just click on next page. It will be creating a next page. I mean, if I select here and just insert a page break, it will be breaking from this page to the right side of this page to a new section. So I'm just going to insert a new page break right here. So just insert a new page break. You can see we will have these 2 pages in different layout and these 2 pages in different layout. Now if you want to only have the middle page as a page break, you can just click here and then just go to just insert and then go to page break. That's it. Now to change the layout of any page, you can just go to select the page. Like if we want to change this one, just select this one, then go to orientation and click on landscape. Now you can see our middle page is already transferred into landscape. It is rotated to landscape mode, and you now have the only middle page in landscape mode, only selected page. If you want to also change this page in landscape, you can just go to again this one, change the orientation and go to landscape. That's it. If you want to just turn it back to portrait, you can also do the orientation and go to portrait. This way you can convert any specific page or only one page inside your Word document to landscape orientation. And to hide this page break section, you can also go to home and just click here. It will be just hidden the comments of the page breaks. So this is the way how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you learned something new, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys on the next video.